Today, I just got off work and I'm out of breath because I just ran home, okay? But I'm gonna tell you guys something. I got a package! Now, this package, I love unboxing videos, so that's why I want to make this, because I'm so excited. I don't know what's in here. Okay, like I know I bought it, but I don't know what I got in the mail, okay? So I'm pretty sure there's multiple, because that's what they do. They give you multiple, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna take off this back brace real fast, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail. Oh God, my stomach. Whew. Oh man, I'm so sorry, but that is a lot. Whew, my stomach just went from this to this, you know. But so I got this from China. It's from Aliexpress, and I know I'm not dressed up right now. I just got off work, so I don't know what's in here, and I'm so excited. Okay, so oh my God, there's four packages. This is a hat. I already know what this is. This, I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is, and I don't know what this is. So we're gonna open the thinnest one because I have no fucking clue what's in here. It might be those gloves I got, those skeleton gloves. I don't know. Nope, these are leggings that I got. Okay, so they're, if you don't know anything about the way I dress, I like Gothic Harajuku-esque kind of style. I usually dress like how a Halloween Town person would. I don't know. That's really what I like to do. And I was born on Halloween, so kind of makes sense. Even when I was little, I know people told me that I shouldn't be goth because like I was looking at the goths and they were like, no, never talk to those people, never be like them. They worship the devil. And then I became like one of them. Bitch, aren't these the coolest leggings? They look like fucking Halloween Town, bruh. That's what it reminds me of. And I have this character named Halloween. But, these are so tiny. I don't know if they're gonna fit me. Oh! They didn't have multiple sizes. So that might be a tight fit, but like I think it'll fit, maybe. But I am losing weight, so I don't know. But I love these. Ah! Okay, these were like, I don't know. I don't know how much they were. So now we're gonna open this one. Actually, I wanna open the hat first because I already know what this is. I think I know what this is. Okay, because it feels like the hat that I got, and the hat that I got has like this cool eyeball on it. And like, I just really wanna show you guys. Oh, what the fuck is that? That's not a hat. Oh, yes it is. It is a hat. It just came with that for no reason. Like, the fuck, that doesn't match that at all. Like, why would the fuck would they give me that? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, whoa. Okay, so this is the hat. Oh! I love it. Did you see this? Hello? If I wear my wig, I'm gonna look good. Okay. Wow, this quality of the hat is so good. The eyeball on the inside is a little bit like pixelated, but like you can't even tell like from far away, like. But the hat quality itself is super good. Like it's got like this velvety like texture on top, and it has these little bat wings. I'm sorry, I have hiccups right now. Okay, but and it comes with this for no fucking reason. That doesn't match this at all. The fuck? It's like Disney World versus like Satan. I don't know why they would give me that. Disney World versus Satan. But yeah, I love this hat. And if they give me an outfit in the mail, I'm gonna wear it with this hat and these leggings, and we're gonna see. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Like, I really don't know what this is. I'm just so excited. I don't know what it is. Ah! I really don't. I'm so scared. Like, I did not expect to get these ones in the mail yet. What is that? I don't know what it is. Hold on. I just want to see what it is. Oh, it's my workout outfit. So, I got size large. Okay, so these will definitely fit me. It's KL Alien. And if you see, like it has like these like cool gothic looking things. That's why I got it, because like I don't find a lot of workout stuff that I like that's like gothic kind of legging, because I like to work out, but like, you know, like I can't find anything that I want to wear. So I don't know if this bra is gonna fit me because my breasts are small. But then again, I could always just re-sew it and make it smaller, probably. I mean, I don't know, because this material is weird. I'm gonna try it on. I think it's too big. Like, I really do, but like if I try it on and it's not too big, I don't know. Then I guess I lied. Okay, so yeah, this is too big. I could wear it as a shirt, but not as like a workout outfit. I mean, it's big, but these will fit me. I know they will. I can tell. Okay, but yeah, that is a little bit too big for me. I have a B cup. That's not gonna fit me, but the pants will. So there's that, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm not like super disappointed because I really don't care. So this one is, oh, it's the dress that I got. I already have the orange one, so I liked it so much that I got the black one because I liked it so much, and that's why. So if you guys have seen my other videos, you've probably seen me wear, you know, the orange one of this, and I like both of them so much. So yeah, and then this would probably look good with this hat, honestly. And so now I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Okay, so these fit me just fine. Yeah, I knew these would, but the shirt, my top is a lot smaller than, you know, my bottom. So I probably should have gotten size small in the top. But like these on the bottom are super comfortable. But yeah, I mean, it'll probably fit me, but you know, I have to wear something under it, and it's gonna be a little loose. If anything, at least the bottoms fit me, because I like the bottoms more than the top anyway. And like, if anything, I could just like re-sew it. As long as they sent me the right size, that's what I'm worried about. Because, but yeah. So yeah, this one fits. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys the hat. Like, I'm gonna throw it on over my fucking hair. Okay. So that's what I look like. I look like a clown, but that's besides the point. So yeah. And I guess I could see if these leggings fit over my giant fat legs. My giant muscles. My giant muscles. But that's what they look like. They look cool, but not with this outfit. I have to wear something else. I'm gonna try them on completely to see. Okay, I guess it does fit me, but like, I have to really like pull. Okay, I have to really pull it up. Oh, I just ripped them. Yeah, I just ripped them, so I guess I'm a little fat. So that's what happened. I just ripped them, so I think you gotta be a little skinnier than me to wear these. But I'll probably still wear these even though I ripped them. Yeah, so that's it. I'm trying to show you. So those are the leggings that don't fit me apparently, and this is too big, but the bottoms they're good. I like the bottoms more than the top, so I'm not really upset about that. You know, I could really just wear this with you know, something cool. I don't know, like, I think these are cool. I like the cross on my crotch. Like, I just really like that a lot. But yeah, that's the dress, the hat, and my leggings I just ripped. I'm glad they weren't super expensive, but they are from China, so that's why. But this hat fits me over my giant hair. I love this hat. I really love this hat. And these bottoms, they're pretty cute, like I'm not gonna lie. You know, it's good for working out. They fit me perfectly, you know. Even if I lost weight, they'd probably fit me. Look, watch. Yeah, they probably still fit me. So yeah, you can see my little pumpkin tattoo now. I'm not gonna give you a tattoo tour because I don't like to talk about my tattoos. I'm so sad I just ripped these, but honestly, when I put them on, they weren't that cute anyway. Like, it's probably because I'm fat. I don't know, I got big ass legs, what can I say? It's from all those squats, you know? So, I'm sorry, change is flying out of my pants. So let's see how much change I got. 35 cents in an hour. Imagine how much I would make the whole day. So I would need a size small in the top versus a size large in the bottom, and they don't let you choose that, so, you know, just whatever. My boobs aren't that big, like they're a fucking B cup, like what do you want from me? I don't know. But that's the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sorry I showed my tits to you, but I got 35 cents today and I really like this hat. The button is a little pixelated. I got this from Aliexpress. Just look up Harajuku hat. Thank you guys for watching. I'm probably gonna get some takeout later from Yamato, the Japanese restaurant, because tomorrow's my day off and I have nothing else to look forward to other than food today. So that's what I'm gonna do. So everyone, please like and subscribe my video if you watched this long. I don't know. You obviously like something. I should be having more packages come soon, and you know, I'm an adult. I can show my breasts. It's not, you know, weird. It's just, you know, a sports bra. Not that interesting. Know that. I'm not a whore. I'm just an adult, comfortable with my body. So everyone, please keep that in mind. Like and subscribe, and don't mind my hairy pits. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.